Hello everyone, welcome back to another incredible lesson. So in this video I'll be discussing about the 20 common mistakes, okay, which we usually make mistake in our day-to-day life. Actually I will be talking about some sentences which is the grammatically appropriate right as well as the trending sentence. Okay, suppose if I say, where have you got your admission? So usually we say, yes, I have taken my admission in Jadavpur University or Calcutta University. So instead of taken, we have to use the got. Instead of the take, we have to use the get for admission. Right? I have got my admission in Jadavpur University, or I have got my admission in Calcutta. Okay. So actually we can't use the take for admission, as well as we can use like I have taken my lunch or I have taken my breakfast. Okay, because take is used only for medicine. Yes, you can use yes, I have taken my medicine today, or I have taken a medicine in the morning today. So take only for medicine, and also you can't use for admission. You for admission you have to use the got. So in this video I'll be discussing about 20 common mistake. Actually this is the wrong, as well as it is not the trending sentence. Okay, you can think that it is the grammatically right, but it is not right, as well as not trending. And I will be talking about that kind of sentence which is the trending as well as the grammatical appropriate right. So now let's get started. Okay, first one, I performed my duties until on o'clock. Okay, and second, I did my works until on o'clock. Both are two sentences are wrong. Okay, so write on which will be right sentence, mean the trending sentence. I worked. Okay, I worked until on o'clock. So that this is the trending sentence as well as the grammatically appropriate. Okay, so next is the my office is situated near Dalhousie Square. Okay, so this is the wrong sentence. Okay, so the right sentence will be my office is, okay, not situated, is near, only near Dalhousie, it will be Housey, Dalhousie Square. Okay, and third, I went to lunch with one of my colleagues. Okay, so it will be it also the wrong sentence, because actually I have more than one colleague, so that is why it will be plural form. Okay, colleagues. So right answer, I went to lunch with one of my colleagues. Okay, this is the singular, it will be the plural. Okay, you have to remember. Next on, we gossiped for a while. So actual it mean we chatted for a while. So gossiped is not, it does not meaning the chatting. So actual the gossip mean denigrating, to denigrating someone. So we are not denigrating someone, mean we are not denigrating someone, we are chatting. So just it will be we chatted for a while. So we chatted for a while. Okay, next, we chatted for some times. Okay, so right answer will be, mean right sentence, we chatted for sometime. Okay, the right sentence will be sometime, not sometimes. Actual sometimes means the occasionally or rather than all the time. Rather than all the time or the occasionally it refers, okay, but sometime, this is the sometime mean unspecified time, unspecified or unknown time. Okay, we chatted for some time, that means unspecified or unknown time. For unknown or unspecified time we chatted, okay, not the occasionally, not occasionally or rather than the all the time, okay, we chatted. The next one is the we returned back to the office. The right sentence will be we got back, okay, we got back, we got back to the office. Okay, you can say we came back. You can say also, you can say you came back. Came back. Came back to the office, okay? To the office. Okay, turn back, there is no word, okay? So you can say got back to the office or you can say came back to the office, okay? I was busy throughout the afternoon, okay? So actual it will be the right sentence. I have been busy, okay? I have been busy all afternoon, okay? Actually, why it is wrong? Because there is given the throughout the afternoon, because here the time mentioned, that is why it will be the have been, okay? So if it is the I was busy that afternoon, it is the right, okay? So throughout the afternoon, that is why it is wrong. So right sentence, I have been busy all afternoon, okay? So next, I went to change my dress. So right sentence will be I went to change my clothes, okay, not dresses. Instead of dresses, we have to use clothes. Next one, I dressed myself, okay. The right sentence will be I got, okay, I got dressed, I got dressed, okay. Instead of dress myself, it will be the I got dressed. Next, I helped my brother with his homeworks. So right sentence will be I helped my brother with his homework, okay. So not yes, okay. So it will be only homework, not homeworks. So I helped my brother with his homework. Next, I went to my bed. So I went to my bed. This is the wrong sentence. It will be I went to bed, only bed, not my bed. Oh, this is the wrong, okay. I went to bed. Next on, I went to my friend's house. I went to my friend's house. It will be I went to see my friend. Okay, I went to see my friend. It will be the right sentence. Next, I and my daughter went out. Okay, you have to remember the sequence of the pronouns as a subject. So you have to understand 2, 3, 1. That means second person, third person, and first person. This is the sequence of the pronouns as a subject. Okay. So here there is no second person in this sentence. So here my daughter is the third person. So write the third person. My daughter. My daughter and I. Okay, and I went out. Okay, so in general sequence of the pronouns as a subject, 2, 3, 1. But in case of the confession of guilt, the sequence will be 1, 2, or 3. 1, 2, 3, or 1, 3, 2. Okay, 1, 2, 3, or 1, 3, 2. This will be sequence only for the confession of guilt. Like suppose if I say I, you, first I and second you, and if I say Rohit, okay, I, you, and Rohit are to blame. Okay, are to blame. Or you can say 1, 3, 2. 1, 3, 2 mean I, Rohit, and you are responsible for mishap. Okay, so I, Rohit, you can say means the sequence of 1, 2, 3. I mean first person, and second you, and third person Rohit. I, you, Rohit are to blame. Or you can say you can arrange this sequence 1, 3, 2. I, okay, first I, and third person Rohit, and second person you are responsible for the mishap. Okay, I very much enjoyed the wedding. This is the wrong sentence. The right sentence will be I enjoyed the wedding very much. Okay, very much. So I enjoyed the wedding very much. Next, I can introduce you with my brother. So this is the wrong sentence. The right on I can introduce you, not with. Okay, it will be to. So to my brother. Okay, so I can introduce you to my brother. Next, Mira can play on the harmonium. So this is the wrong sentence. The right will be Mira. Okay, Mira can play the harmonium, not on the. Okay, only the harmonium. Okay, so Mira can play the harmonium. Next on, we arrived at noon. This is the wrong, and the right on we arrived at midday. Okay, the right one, midday. Next, he completed his work at 9:30. So right will be he, in trending sentence, he finished. He finished. Okay, this is the trending sentence. He finished his work. Okay, his work at 9:30. Okay, so next one, the roads were full of vehicles. This is also wrong. The right will be the roads were crowded. Okay, so you can say the roads were crowded, or you can say there was a lot of traffic on the roads. Okay, so you can say that there was a lot of traffic on the roads, or you can say the roads were crowded. Last one, I saw a good drama last week. I saw a good, instead of drama it will be play. Okay, I saw a good play last week. Okay, these are 20 common mistakes. Okay, so today I'm finishing here. If you like this video, please you support me by subscribing. Okay, and see you in the next video. Tada, bye.